India is investing heavily to become a trusted link in global chip supply chains. With companies like YMTC aiming for dominance by 2027, India is pushing for semiconductor manufacturing through acquisitions and strategic partnerships. Can it crack the code before it's too late? Semiconductors are the hidden powerhouses behind AI, smartphones, and even space tech. They process data in seconds. Your phone uses them to learn. Self-driving cars rely on them for navigation, and satellites depend on them to guide us. Right now, Taiwan, China, or South Korea dominate chip production. But India is racing to change that. With companies like YMTC targeting a global NAND lead by 2027, can India become a trusted player in global supply chains before the window closes? The stakes are high. AI demand is surging, and every delay could cost billions. India isn't waiting. It's writing its own rules. The government slashes bureaucracy and offers massive incentives to chipmakers, while Indian firms acquire overseas companies, like CRISIL's data shows, to fast-track AI and tech expertise. But can they build a supply chain so reliable that chips made in India become the global default? Or will rivals like YMTC, racing toward a 2027 NAND lead with $5 billion backing, outpace them? China's YMTC is racing to dominate NAND flash by 2027 with $5 billion in funding, backed by state resources and rapid scaling. Meanwhile, India uses acquisitions and agility like buying tech firms to build capabilities faster than traditional methods. But can India compete against YMTC's capital advantage, or will it fall behind? Let's explore the strategies. AI isn't just changing how we use tech, it's reshaping where chips are made. Companies like WS Printed Circuit are growing fast, supplying ultra-thin multi-layer PCBs for AI servers and smartphones. India could ride this wave by acquiring existing capabilities faster than building them from scratch. But China's YMTC is state-backed and scaling aggressively to dominate the market by 2027. Speed matters, but trust in quality and reliability will decide who becomes the go-to supplier. India isn't just luring chipmakers with cash, it's buying expertise. CRISIL data shows Indian firms are snapping up overseas companies to grab talent and tech faster than they could build it in-house. But can acquisitions alone bridge the skills gap? Think of it like hiring a top chef mid-chef. You get their know-how, but building a kitchen from scratch takes time. Trust is key. Will India's supply chain become so reliable that AI chips or smartphone parts made here become the default choice? Or will rivals like YMTC, racing toward a 2027 NAND lead, leave them behind? India's semiconductor push faces tough hurdles. Unlike China, which invests billions to dominate NAND flash chips by 2027 like YMTC with its $5 billion funding, India relies on acquisitions for speed, but risks quality gaps. Meanwhile, AI servers demand ultra-high-layer PCBs, a market rivals are rushing to control. Geopolitics add pressure, sanctions, and trade wars could disrupt supply chains. Speed matters, but trust and quality will decide who leads the global chip race. Taiwan's TSMC is the world leader in chipmaking, running ultra-modern factories that produce cutting-edge semiconductors. China's YMTC is racing ahead with a $5 billion IPO to boost its NAND flash production, aiming to dominate globally by 2027. Meanwhile, India is taking a different path, buying existing tech firms instead of building from scratch. This acquire-ready strategy lets India scale faster. But whether it can match Taiwan's precision or China's ambition remains the big question. Some dismiss AI chips as hype, but Bank of America's analysis shows real demand. These aren't just buzzwords. They power your phone, drive AI models, and even guide space missions. India is accelerating with strategic acquisitions to build capabilities faster than developing them in-house. But trust hinges on quality. Can it match rivals like YMTC, which plans to dominate NAND production by 2027? The race isn't just about speed, it's about reliability. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's reshaping industries, from self-driving cars to medical diagnostics. This explosion in demand is fueling a global race for chips that power these systems. Bank of America predicts this trend won't slow down, meaning the chip sector is here to stay. But can India's acquisitions keep up with rivals like YMTC, Or will they get left behind? Speed matters, but trust and quality will decide who leads the next wave of innovation. India's success in tech acquisitions like Dr. Reddy Labs' rapid U.S. pharma deals shows its ability to absorb expertise fast. Now, it aims for the same agility in semiconductors. But unlike AI or pharma, chips require long-term stability. Can India replicate this speed while building trust in global supply chains? The stakes are high, but so is the potential. India's chip ambitions face tough competition. While Indian firms are speeding up acquisitions to build AI talent and tech, rivals like YMTC are raising $5 billion for rapid expansion aiming to dominate the global NAND market by 2027. But success isn't just about money. It's about proving reliability over time. With volatile markets, a shortage of skilled workers, and fragmented supply chains, can India become a trusted link in the global chip race? India's semiconductor growth hinges on smart acquisitions, like Dr. Reddy Labs and Pharma to quickly gain expertise without over-relying on massive factories. Unlike China's YMTC, which is betting billions on NAND dominance by 2027, India leverages its skilled workforce and government support to scale faster. But success depends on balancing speed with global quality standards, ensuring trust in the supply chain. India's semiconductor push isn't just about speed, it's about trust. Like Dr. Reddy and Pharma, India can buy expertise fast, but chips demand consistency. Rivals like YMTC are investing billions to dominate by 2027. Can India match that pace while ensuring quality? Speed matters, but trust will decide who leads the next wave. If you found this deep dive insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments.